Hello friends, this video is on general knowledge for railway departmental examination, especially for LDCE CBT exam. Important objective MCQ. This video is important objective MCQ for AOM, ACM, APO, AEE, ADME, ASM, guard, TCCC, section controller, etc. And it contains 30 important general knowledge questions. Set of 30 questions you can say, mostly question asked recently in CBT. So let's start. Headquarter of Eastern Railway. Headquarter of Eastern Railway is Kolkata. Eastern Railway was formed on 14th April 1952 by integration of East Indian Railway consisting of Sialda, Howrah, Asansol and Danapur division and the entire Bengal. Railway Board head is renamed as Chairman and CEO. What is the full form of CEO? CEO means Chief Executive Officer. Which new railway line was dedicated to the nation by the Prime Minister on 12th November 2022? That is Bhadrachalam Road, Satupalli. From which railway station the first Kasi Tamil Sangam Express will start to reach Kasi? That is from Chennai Egmore, nearby Chennai Central in Southern Railway. HRMS full form. HRMS full form Human Resource Management System. Human Resource Management System. IRSEE full form Indian Railway Services of Electrical Engineer. Indian Railway Services of Electrical Engineer. Electric loco shed dash becomes the first shed in Indian Railway to provide waterless urinals. That is Tughlakabad, TKD. The electric loco shed Tughlakabad of Kota division of West Central Railway has recently made provision of waterless urinal in WAG 9 locomotives of ELS Tughlakabad, which has become the first loco shed of Indian Railway to provide waterless urinals in loco. So, important question now. Which is the capital of the Japan country? That is Tokyo. Capital of Japan is Tokyo. Which is the capital of Egypt country? Capital of Egypt is Cairo, or in Hindi we can say Kahira. Ton kilometer is railway. In a railway is a dash unit. Ton kilometer in railway is a fundamental unit. Fundamental unit. How many sections are covered under RTI Act? RTI Act covered 31 sections. Total number of sections is 31. Now, the highest law officer in the state is Advocate General. The highest law officer in the state is Advocate General. Which seaport is nearest to Rourkela steel plant? That is Paradip. Paradip. The one-horned rhinoceros is now restricted to which state? That is Assam in Kaziranga. The provision as covered by Article 343 to T45 351 under Part 17 of the Constitution of India deals with official language. For seeing object at the surface of water from a submarine underwater, the instrument used is periscope. India's longest tunnel, Jawahar Tunnel, is located in which state? That is J for Jawahar, J for Jammu and Kashmir. Golden Quadrilateral project for the development of national highway was initiated by DAS. It is initiated by Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Particulate pollutants are small solid particles and liquid droplets. How many members are there in the Parliamentary Official Language Committee? It has 30 members, 20 from Lok Sabha and 10 from Rajya Sabha. So total 30 members. Which one of the following states receive the highest rainfall during winter months? While monsoon returning, at that time at Tamil Nadu, highest rainfall. So Tamil Nadu will be the answer. Which of the following is used in pencils? I am writing answers direct. That is graphite. Graphite is used in pencil. The highest civilian award of India, Bharat Ratna, has been awarded to only two foreigners so far. One of them is Nelson Mandela and the other one is, that is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Headquarter of South East Central Railway, SECR, that is Bilaspur. South East Central Railway headquarter is at Bilaspur. Headquarter of North Western Railway, NWR, that is Jaipur. Headquarter of NWR is at Jaipur. Headquarter of East Central Railway, ECR, it is in Hajipur. ECR headquarter is in Hajipur. And the headquarter of West Central Railway, WCR, that is in Jabalpur. Headquarters is always important for GK point of view. In which year the Official Language Act 1963 was amended? It was amended in the year 1967. Which of the following is an east flowing river of the peninsula? Option A Tapi, option B Narmada, option C Mahanadi, and option D none of these. Here answer will be Mahanadi. Mahanadi following in an east. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.